a little to the left.
Copy that, moving left.
Looks aligned here.
We monitor the thermal scan in real time to guarantee even coverage and structural integrity.
All right, hold it steady right there. Securing the bolt now. Okay, clear.
Cables are routed through structured channels to ensure optimal performance.
All right, easy now. We're almost home.
Confirm contact on the aft mount.
Looks good from here, boss.
Check the edges on this one. The mahogany needs to be flush. It's perfect. The texture is incredible.
Lower the starboard side slowly, 2 millimeters down.
Alignment is good. Lock it in.
Efficiency is key. Our robotic cutters precisely shape the components before the team aligns the steps with fluid motion.
Align it to the left. Just a little more, hold it there. Okay, secure the base now. Sequence B is now fully illuminated, reading maximum lux levels.
Very consistent. Now let's see the transition down to the ambient setting.
We need to adjust this angle slightly.
The spec sheet confirms the alignment here.
All right, secure it tightly.
All onboard systems are connected and tested. Control panels active.
The stern dips cleanly. Look at the ripple pattern.
Recording the stability data now.
Are the stability readings within tolerance?
Yes, supervisor. All systems are nominal.
Check the vibration dampening at this RPM.
Readings are nominal. Everything looks good for the gentle rev.
All systems are green for departure.
Engine output is nominal.
Confirm. The water displacement looks good.
The pressure on auxiliary is holding steady at 500 psi.
Good. The vibration dampeners are working as expected.
Monitor the pitch stabilization on the main screen.
Reading confirmed. Stabilization engaged.
The grain matching on this walnut is exquisite. Check the humidity reading.
72%, right within tolerance.
The alignment on the veneer here is flawless.
Agreed. And the lighting temperature in the master cabin is perfect.
Railing torque is complete.
Confirmed. Console alignment is also within tolerance. Good work.
How's the trim alignment on panel 7?
Just finished. It's perfectly flush now.
Verified. Moving to the bridge systems check.
Go ahead and sign right there.
And we are all set. Final approval granted. Final checks, everyone. Cast off forward. We have clearance in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.